Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Python Now YouTube channel. This is the second video dedicated to the for loop. If you haven't seen the first part, you will find the link in the description of this video. There, I explained what a for loop is and how to write it with simple examples. In this video, we will look through more complex examples and I will explain why the for loop is so important and how it's used in real-life scenarios. I have also prepared some practical tasks for you, so make sure to watch this video until the end and don't forget to like it. So let's start. In this example, I will change the familiar variable I to another word. Please remember that I is just a default value used in loops. You can use any word you like. We will create a new variable called channel and assign it the value Python now. We start our loop with the word for and specify that for each symbol in the channel variable, we will iterate through each character including the space and the exclamation mark. Then we write print symbol. The result will be the string Python now printed character by character. In this loop, you can add conditions with the help of the if operator. I explained this in one of my previous videos, so if you missed it, there is a hint in the right corner for you to watch it. Let's return to the loop. Let's set the condition that if there is an exclamation mark in the string Python now, it should print yes, and if not, it should print no. To do this, we need to add if statement. If symbol equals exclamation mark, print yes, else print no. As a result, we should get 10 no and 1 yes. I hope this is clear now, but you might still be wondering, why do I need to know about these loops? Here are 3 real-life examples of where you could use loops. First, outputting elements from a list or array. For example, you can use a for loop to output the names of all students in a class. Let's say we have a variable called students, and we assign it a list of our students' names. If we want to give each of students, except for Alex, access to our special website, we would write a loop like this. For student in students, if student equals Alex, print access denied, else print access granted. Sorry Alex, that's because you skipped Python lessons. Second, iterating over a dictionary for outputting keys and values or updating values of certain keys. A dictionary, as you remember, is a data type where there is a key and value. Let's imagine we have a dictionary data with information about a student, and we want to change some data in this dictionary. That can also be done using a loop. In this example, we set to loop through each key if the key is equal to age, change the age value to 26. In real world, there might be a need to check 100 dictionaries or even more to complete some action. That's why for loops make this work much easier for you. And the last example, iteration over a file, reading its content and performing some operation on it. In this example, the with statement is used to open the file, and the for loop is used to iterate through each line in the file. The print function is then used to print each line to the console. The if hello in line statement checks if the text hello is present in the current line of the file, and if it is, the line is printed. These are just a few examples of problems that can be solved with the for loops in Python. I will include tasks in the video description for you to complete. Practice is a key to learn to code. Remember to subscribe and like the channel. See you in the next video.